If you're dealing with information like zip codes, phone numbers, social security, ideally you won't have any punctuation, you'll just have plain numbers because Excel can do the formatting. A 5-digit zip code, we don't really need to format, but a 9-digit zip code we do. So I'll select these cells, and then on the Home tab, I'll go to the General drop-down, and at the bottom, I'll choose More Number Formats. Then I'll choose the special category, and I'll choose zip code +4, choose OK, and it's formatted. I'll select phone number. This time I'll go to the small button in the lower right corner of the number group. It's called the Launch button. When I click it, it launches me into the same dialog box. I'll choose Special, and this time I'll choose Phone number. Choose OK, and now it's formatted. And finally, I'll do the same thing for Social Security. And there you have it, 3 fast ways to format zip codes, phone numbers, and Social Security.